Hello, and welcome to the Florida 511 newsroom. Today, we'd like to introduce you to Florida 511. Florida 511 is your official source for real-time traffic information. FL511 currently provides information on congestion events, crashes, construction and maintenance activities, as well as travel times on all interstates and toll facilities, and several major United States and Florida routes. All of the information comes directly from the Florida Department of Transportation and is available 7 days a week on FL511.com and on the Florida 511 mobile app, which iPhone users can download for free in the Apple App Store and Android users can download on Google Play. You can also sign up for personalized email and text alerts or get the latest traffic updates from one of Florida 511's 13 Twitter accounts to connect, know, and go. Thanks for tuning in to the Florida 511 newsroom. Until next time, safe travels.